Hi, my name's Bob, and I like penises. You got a problem with that? Can you see me masturbating right now? Yes. 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 Wow. I can move my legs. Well, I can not my legs, sorry. I can move my body without my legs moving. Just stick that in and there we go. See that skill? Yes. Yes. Can you see that? Yes. Right. You are about to see me do something very sexual. You ready? Yes. Let's go. Wait, no, sure. You ready? Yes, let's go. Can you shoot that a little bit? Ooh. Hello, baby. How you doing? Yeah. No. Shit. I'm good. I gotta get this right. No. Ooh. Just practicing. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's nearly there. Yeah, come on, baby. You can do it. Yeah. Oh, baby, I knew you'd like me. Oh, baby. Oh, can you see this? Yeah, can you see it? Oh, baby. Yeah. Oh, baby. Yeah. Oh, I can float in the air. No one cares. Yeah. Yes. I was doing this online earlier, and it was really funny. Yes, it was, baby, wasn't it? Yes, it was. Yeah, give me a kiss. Well, let's have a quick chat. Yeah. Now that's my biology test done. Good night.
This is Michael's Tapes.